Alright, so we're gonna make our first platform, I guess. Let's see. By the way, I don't have any notes. I just decided to make this out of thin air. What can we make? What's that? Floor. Yeah, we put a floor in here. 0, 0, 0. And you know what? I'll try to work with only the what I have here with starter content. I'm not gonna work with anything else. Just starter content, and we'll make like something simple and easy. Play. Okay. So switch out to unlit, all 3, so I can see what you're doing. Delete that ball. Oh, actually, you know what? We're gonna have the ball as our main character. Alright, make a new folder and call it blueprints. And then in that same folder, make a new one and call it interactables. Now we'll focus on the player first. So player. Alright. So we can have a ball as our player. Or actually, is there a cube in here? Shape cube. Oh, one more thing. Actually, instead of getting this cube, as you can see, I don't have anything here. If you want to access Unreal Engine's full content of hidden files in here, you can go to any blueprint. So let's say we're gonna make a pawn, but you can work with an actor. And you're gonna say cube, and when you put it on, you're gonna see it spawns the cube in here. When you click the magnifying glass, it'll show you where it is. But if you look over here and we type cube, you don't really see it like that one. Its path is way different than the path that's here. So if I press it now, the magnifying glass, you'd see it lead me over here. And that's how I know it's in the hidden files. And you see it's engine content. That's where I found it. And now that's visible to us, but it wasn't visible back here. Alright, one more time, just to make sure we're dealing with something.